Go. Get a directory with one file in it. Let's create a package directory. Let's call it our fix. Let's call it our fix lib. That's the name of our library. In that directory, let me actually go there not to confuse you guys. So in the directory, in order to define this as a package location, we need to create a file. Touch creates a file or updates a timestamp on an existing file. So there needs to be an underscore init underscore .py. All right. So now we get the init.py. So Python knows this is a location of some awesome files. So this is a package directory. All right. Now let's actually put single component into our package. We're going to call it do something. Something.py. In do something.py, we're just going to define a single function. Call it do it. Okay. All this is going to do is it's going to say, do it, man. Pretty simple. Let's get out of here. Save this. And let's review. We have a directory with two files, do something.py. This is one of the components or modules of our package. And we have this init.py, which Python will know, oh, this is a package folder. Okay. All right. So now we're going to get out of the package folder. Let's step back one directory. Clear. Let's take a look again. All right. So we have one directory with the Python script we're going to work on later on, the our fix engine. But right now we're doing package testing. So there's a directory here called our fix lib. And in that directory is the init file, which tells Python that's a package directory. And then we have also one module, which is the do this. Okay. So create a file called my package test.py. Let's go in there. Shebang, 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 bang. Shebang, bang. All right. There's that shebang. And now let's do something. Do anything. So first thing we want to do is import our package. All right. So what I want to do here is go into the package directory, take a peek at what we have created. So we created a do it function. Do it, do it, do it, man. So now we need to import that. So we're going to import, and again, it's our fix lib is the package location. So that's what we need to point to for the import. And then we need to point to what package in that location we need to import. So the package there, or the module within the package, is do something. We do not use the extension. So we're just going to copy this. All right. So we are importing from our package directory. So that's the package directory name. Within that directory, this is what we want. We want do something. That is a Python script that we created that we want to import because there's something in there we want to use. So we're going to import that. Now, once again, in the do something script, we have this function do it, which we want to use. All right, so import package directory, specific module. Then to actually use this, we can do once again our fix lib dot do something. Do anything. Our fix lib dot do something dot. See how the structure works? Package location, module and package, and then what do you think comes next? Come on, you know this one. It's easy. What's the next thing we want to pull? We want to pull the function name. All right, let's review. Package directory, module and package, and this is the function that we want to call. Because we do our parentheses and parentheses. Alrighty, so let's see what happens. Is this going to give us an error message? Is this going to actually work? Oh, got a typo. That's why I like to copy and paste. Apparently I spelled something wrong. Well, I'm assuming. Let's verify. Yep, so I didn't spell it right. So it's do something without an E. So this should work now. Yeah! It is that easy, my friends. All right. So just to review, we have this directory where we created a subdirectory for our package. In that subdirectory, we have, well, when you did the import, it creates these compiled files to the PYC. But anyway, so we created this package directory. We added in that directory an init on underscore init underscore .py that lets Python know this is a package directory. And then in that directory, we created a do something.py. And in that do something.py file, we simply created, well, I have it open already. So this is in that file. We simply defined a function called doit. So we created a package directory. In the package directory, we created the underscore init.py file, which lets it know that's a package directory. Then we created a Python file within that same directory. In that directory, we simply did a function definition. We didn't need the shebang, right? Because we're not going to run this. We're importing this. We just want these bits of code to be utilized somewhere else. So we simply define a function called doit, and the doit function simply prints doit man. Doit man. So then we back out of the package directory. We see that we created a my package test file. In the my package test file, this is the actual thing that's actually going to work. This is our actual Python script that's going to use the library. So we did our shebang, and then we did an import. So the key thing to understand is the syntax. Once again, we import from this package directory this module or this Python script without the extension. And then when we want to actually utilize or call that function, so in that script is this function. When we want to actually use that function, we have to once again point out the location of the function. So we go package directory dot the Python script, right? Dot the function, a specific function in that file that we want to call. All right, so let me show you a little trick here. Instead of import all this, and then you have to recall all this or refer to all this, what we can do is we can do a very simple thing, which is we will import it as OFD for our fix lib do something. Now, instead of typing all this nonsense, we just do OFD. So this is like an alias. OFD refers to all this. So we just type that instead, sort of like a variable. Now we can verify this actually works by just running it. There you go. My package test works like a charm. That simple. Once again, we import package directory, module name as alias, and then you refer, instead of typing the package name and module name, you just type in your alias dot whatever function you want to pull. It's that easy. Get it done. Where does folder come from? And it's that simple. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on the like button, subscribe, and see you soon. Salut, Vigets. Hasta luego. Bienvenidos if you're new. This is the Computer Programming University, where learning is always fun. It's all about smiles, education, and making that money, money, money. This is the channel where you learn things that can change your life. Join my subscribers in achieving their dreams right here on the Computer Programming University. See you soon. Oh, when you subscribe, make sure you smash the bell, because that's the only way you're going to get notified when I upload new awesome videos just like this. Why am I wearing this hat? Well, subscribe to find out. Maybe. All right, guys. Ciao.